Your Lindy is something that we learned about back when we talked about swing for our ballroom series. In tap and jazz, however, it's a slightly different move, so this can be a little challenging for our jazz and tappers when we learn ballroom or vice versa. In tap and jazz, we traditionally do the ball change after that triplet, so that flat, ball, we do a ball change. So that allows us to do flat, ball change to one side, and then reverse that immediately to the other. When you count out a Lindy, you're counting 1 and 2, 3, 4 when you are doing this for tap and jazz. This move can also have a flap at the beginning of it, so you can again add more sounds. And you can even try adding in a shuffle step the more comfortable you get. You just replace that beginning step. Instead of the flat, ball, flat, it becomes flap, ball, flat, or shuffle step, ball, flat, as you travel to the side or front or any of those directions. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about our heel change. I will see you then.